Tonight I'm checking out Potato Head Beach Club in Kuta, also known as Seminyak. It's next to each other. So we'll see how it looks like. The architecture is amazing. It feels like you're inside a bird's nest, but let's have a look at it. So this is the main entrance. You have to park your bike, a little walk away, and then walk through. They have a nice fountain right here and a boutique. Most of these beach clubs have boutiques inside them, which is pretty cool. So you can buy yourself some shorts or a dress or something like that you need. And you can see this place looks stunning. You have a crazy waterfall right here. Looks pretty sweet. It's one path after another. It looks stunning. These are little windows, wooden windows. That look pretty cool. So guys, you can see Potato Head is stunning. Like, this place is like a maze. I'm just walking in circles trying to figure it out. And here we are. So the entrance is free and you can come in and have drinks and food. Of course, if you're trying to get one of the cabanas or the loungers, you have to pay for the table. I don't know the price, but you guys can check it out. I'll try to include it in the bio, but we have a dance floor right here. So the place has a bunch of lights all over the place, and there's palm trees that are decorated. It looks absolutely stunning. It has a mood to it. It's usually around like a red color-ish. It looks like neon lights. It's pretty cool. Like, it has a vibe. You could definitely come here with a group of people or just on a date or solo like I'm doing right now and just have a great time. It's right in front of the ocean, and there's a bunch of pools where you can actually swim, which looks absolutely stunning, guys. I hope you guys are liking this so far. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll show you guys a lot more about Potato Head. Guys, I have exciting news. I know a lot of you would love to travel to Bali, but don't know where to start. You've seen places on social media or YouTube, and you just love it, but you don't know where to go, where to begin. And that's a problem that a lot of people face when they come to Bali. They end up staying in Canggu and they're stuck there. Like, they just go to these little cafes and the beach club, and that's it. Like, there's a lot more to see in Bali, like where I am right now, which is in Ubud. I've included all of those details in the guide, and you can find it on balitravelcompanion.com, and you can get it for really cheap, and you get access to it right away via download, and you can use it towards your trip. And you also have different planners that you can use to schedule your day, to schedule your budget, to determine exactly what you want to spend and have an amazing experience. This guide is created for people that are staying in Bali for about 7 to 10 days. But if you're also staying here for a long term, like living here, you can also use this guide to discover some of the different places, like where to eat, your hotel, or the visa information, so that you can have a good start at your stay in Bali. It's also good to know your different visas that you need, because a lot of people just show up at the airport and they don't know what's happening, and they get stuck, or they want to stay for a longer period of time, but they can't because visa on arrival doesn't allow you to extend. But I've included details there that tells you exactly what you need to do step by step to make sure that you have the best experience in Bali. So guys, don't forget to visit that balitravelcompanion.com and get your travel guide. I'm already feeling the ocean breeze. You can hear the waves in the background and music blasting and people having a great time. It's a chill place to have drinks, and I'm about to go grab one right now and just vibe on a lounger, guys. Take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content, and I'll show you guys more. So guys, that's it for Potato Head. The place was a vibe. I highly recommend it. You guys should definitely make it here. I had my Leecher Martini and it was nicely made and I can't regret it. As you can see, I'm slurping my words a little bit because I'm under the influence of a good vibe. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that as much as I have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll show you guys a lot more about Bali. And don't forget to get that guide because it's really gonna help you navigate Bali like an expert. I'll see you guys on the next one, and you can find the guide on BaliTravelCompanion.com. And until next time, peace.